My MakeCode arcade game pick of the week is Mini Galaga. So this is by Daniel, and Daniel, this is the first time Daniel's posted to the forum, arcade forum. So thank you for posting this, and I am a huge Galaga fan, so I thought this was really, really cool. Great first game. You can see he's done a nice job of matching some graphics here. Now it's simple. We don't have the danger of the enemy bug crafts swarming and flying at us, but I don't care. I'm still having fun playing it, and I think it's a really good example of a way that you can get inspired to learn about building games inside of MakeCode Arcade and using inspiration from an existing game as a way to get started. It's also fun because if you've ever been frustrated by the inability to shoot lots and lots and lots and lots of bullets all at once in Galaga, this one allows you to fire off a lot of them, which is exciting. And I feel, oh gosh, this one's going to get harder. And I feel like we can take out our frustration against real Galaga in this MakeCode Galaga. Also, one of the exciting things is you can go in, hit Edit Code, see how it's built, take a look at some of these beautiful graphics. The pixel art's really nicely done. And of course, you can go in and do things like increase your number of lives and noodle around with things, increase the speed of the craft or the projectiles. But I encourage you to go and have a look at how this was built. And this is my MakeCode arcade game pick of the week. It is called Mini Galaga by Daniel. Thank you so much for submitting that. Very cool.